Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to reduce the file size of a photo on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Let's get started. In order to resize your photo file, you don't have to use any additional applications. You can do it from your phone settings. First, we need to go to our gallery. Next, here we select the photo we want to resize. For example, this one. Then in the bottom corner, we press the Share button. Here we find a line called Save to Files. In order to send our photo to file, this is the only way we can modify our photo further. Here we can add our photo to an existing folder, or we can create a new folder. To do this, in the upper right corner, we click on the three dots. Here we select the very first line, New Folder. Click on it. As you can see, we have a new folder that we can name something. Now we save the changes. Next, we're gonna save our picture here. Alright. Now we find a folder on the phone called Files. Click on it. Here we can see that our photo has already been added. We can also go to Browse. And here we can see the folder that we've created. Clicking on it will also show us our photo. In order to resize it, we need to start by doing these manipulations. As you can see, the size of my photo is 1.4 megabytes. To resize it, we need to click on the photo. Then at the bottom, we find Quick Actions and click on it. Next, we find Convert Image and click on it. Here at this stage, we are asked to choose the format of the photo. I'm going to choose one of these three. Next, we are offered to choose the size and either small, medium, large, or leave it as it is. I'm going to choose small size. Now the photo has been reduced in size. It's now 30 kilobytes, so it's significantly resized. You can also increase the size of your photo in the same way. To do that, we also click on it. Click here, Quick Actions. Now Convert Image. Choose a format. Now to enlarge, we can click on Large. Let's wait a little bit. As we can see our photo, there is now in the enlarged size. Now we have three sizes of our file. That is, the standard ones that we sent here, and also reduced and enlarged. What else can we do with our photo files? We can send them. Let's say if we click on the thumbnail photo, and now we click on the Share button at the bottom. We can share it on social media, for example, either on Instagram or on Telegram or whatever your other social networks are. I want to share them on Instagram. We just click on the user. We click Share. We wait a little bit. That's it, we've shared that file. To check it out, we go to Instagram. Then we go to Correspondence. We click on it. And as you can see, we have the file that we shared. And another method is we can save the modified file to our gallery. Let's say we save an enlarged file. Click on it. We also click Share. Now we find Save Image. Click on it. Now we can go to our gallery. And as we can see, here is our enlarged photo. Our photo that we modified and enlarged in size. That's how easy you can change your photos on your iPhone device and also share it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like it, write comments, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.